Hello everyone, my name is Min and welcome to my undergrad competency development video. Today we'll talk about how I've developed the entrepreneurship and initiative competency. The subsection of this competency I'd like to focus on is finishing what I started and have stretch code and act on them. The project I use for this video is learn Microsoft Visual Basics on Excel. I aim myself to create a VBA program that would automate the process of putting numbers into this kind of cash flow model, which is used to evaluate companies and stock pricing. Visual Basics is a programming language embedded in Microsoft Excel in order to create objects, processes to complete tasks otherwise have to be done manually. I have planned to set my schedule as the following. Week 1 and 2 is following the concepts and the basics on LinkedIn Learning. Then in week 3 and 4, I will build a model and a worksheet with the knowledge I already know. And then in week 5, I'll be incorporating VBA elements into the worksheet. I've been only doing learning parts as I cannot fit an hour of my time into the projects every day. I also have ongoing issues with finding motivations, setting deadlines for myself, and since the pandemic a year ago, I've been having trouble learning. I'm a type 1 learner, so I would thrive on human interaction rather than just watching and learning by myself. I feel a little bit frustrated and angry at myself for not following the project through. I have a very high tendency to leave stuff and not finishing my tasks at all. The experience is both lacking and interesting at the same time. I'm intrigued about new ideas and concepts, but in order to follow through to finish is a different thing. The reason behind my actions would relate to how I behave and act. I'm a very relaxed person. I don't have expectations for what I do, and sometimes I don't really care about the results at all. So I think in the future, I need to make sure if I set to do something, I just need to do it. Really, just do it. Do not procrastinate, do not hesitate. I learned something along the way, and the results can be really satisfying. Another thing I had done is to break down into much smaller tasks of the day and give myself some kind of rewards when I finish my task. Getting help is certainly on top of my to-do list for me in order to help me get out of the slump. But I will need to push myself harder in order to be the best version of myself. If I ought to do this project again, I had to define the needs of the project and how the results will benefit me in the future. In particular, VBA is a great tool for data analysis for finance professional. Mastering one skill will set me apart and enable me to contribute to any job I do. So that is everything about me. Thank you guys for watching.
Created using Powtoon.